Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Globally Mag. This is your host Captain Wolf, and we have come up with yet another interesting video on how to create a survey with Google Forms. Well, first of all, as you all know that creating a survey form, a research form is very important, and creating it online is very important for us because survey forms are basically used to collect important information, and on the basis of those important information and data, the business leaders, the management, they make informed decision on the basis of all those collected data. So that's why survey forms are important, and these survey forms are being used all across the world in educational field, in business, in social media experiments, and A/B testing for and many purposes as well. So before we proceed with how to create a survey with Google Forms, if this is the first time you have come to my channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification icon so that you get all the notification of our channel's new videos. So let's get started. The first thing, how to create a survey form using Google Forms. So to start up, first of all, you need to have a Gmail account, and after that you need to log into your Google Forms account, as I already did, and I have already previously created a contact form and I have shared the video as well. So in today's video we are going to create a survey form from scratch. So let's get started. We are going to click start a new form, and here the Google form will present us with a blank template, and this template we will have to name it. So let's start a survey form which will include, let's make a survey form to choose between online games and physical games. Online games versus physical games. So we can we have named our form, and description we will write any kind of description which is related to our form, such we need to collect data in order to know what kind of games you are interested in. So this is the basic structure. We have given a name to our form, survey form, and we have given a brief description so that whenever a user receives this form, he knows what the name of the form is and what he needs to do. Now starting with the survey form, we are presented with a sample question. Here in the right side, if you toggle this, we have different options to choose from: short answer, paragraph, multiple choices, check boxes, drop down list. We have linear scales, date and time as well. So this is the basic form. So first of all, we need to have a name, and in the name tag, as we already know, we will need a short answer. After that, we need to insert a new field. We will hit the plus icon and add a new question, and in this question we will need the user's email. So in user email, as we all know that it should have a basic rule with it, so that whenever user fill up the form, they do not mistakenly fill up any other thing other than their email account. So we need to create a rule for that. For that, we need to toggle this window. We need to click these three icons and then response validation. In response validation, we are provided with different choices. So in this form, we are going to go with text, and in text we are going to go with email. Now the user will have to ensure that he enters a proper email. Other than that, the form will not allow him or her to fill up the form. So after that, let's move on to the other thing. What kind of games you like to play, online or physical? So this is our basic question of the survey form. What kind of games you like to play? And in here we will give our users a multiple choice. So let's say online games, and we will give another option physical games. So the user will be given two choices. He or she will need to select either the online games, or either the physical games. And this is the basic structure of a survey form. After that, what we need to do is we can enter another field and we write which is your favorite online game. And here we can give different options. We can give them predefined games, or we can use it as a short answer. It basically depends upon us what kind of answer we want to have. So in this tutorial we are going to give them just two or three options. So let's just give them multiple choice. In multiple choice we give them such as the very popular game around the world, the PUBG, and then we can have another game in PUBG, Clash of Clans. We can have another game. So we can give them another option of a new game which is very popular across the world, Minecraft. So they can choose among these three options, and other than that we can have another multiple question, and we will write which is your favorite physical game. So there are many physical games around the world, such as soccer, table tennis, and we can write the option of cricket as well. So these are the three options and we can give our users. So this is the basic structure of our survey form. The survey form is basically about getting the data about what kind of games people like to play, whether it's online game or physical game. And similarly, in this way you can design your own survey form. You can name it according to your own needs. You can write the question according to your own needs, and you can have the survey form according to your own tailored needs. So if this survey form is complete, all we need to do is just have a preview of it. How does it look? So the survey form looks like this. You need to give your name, your email. You have given the multiple options of what kind of game you like to play, physical or online. And in online and physical, we have given them the options, what kind of games they want to see. So our basic form is complete. This is how our form will look. So let's just, and from here we can send this form to whatever email address we want to share, and we will just send them. This is the subject, the name of the survey form, and in the message we can write anything that we want to share. And if we do not want to share it or send that via email, we can just share this link with them and copy this link and send them via email or WhatsApp or whatever we want to share, and similarly our form will be complete. So this is how it is done. But last but not the least, do not forget to name your form and save it, so that whenever you come across again to your Google Forms page, you know that what kind of survey form you already made. So our form is already made, and let's just have a quick submission of one entry to know that how does it look like. So I'm going to hit the preview icon, and from here I'm going to submit the details. The name I'm going to write Captain Wolf, and in the email I'm going to write, let's just try the rule that we have defined, either it's going to implement it or not. And as you can see that I have not written a proper email. It is giving me an error that it must be a valid email. So I'm going to give my own email, Captain Wolf 352@gmail.com. As you can see that the validation error has been removed because I have entered a correct email address. And from here I'm going to select which option I really like to present. So I'm going to select I like to play physical games, or which is your favorite online game. Okay, I like Minecraft, and which is your physical game. soccer, I'm going to hit the submit icon. As you can see, your response has been recorded, and if you want to see the responses, I go back to my form. As you can see that the response is already there. I have already received a response. I can see the name, the email address. The response is the physical games 100% currently because I'm the only person who has submitted the details. The online game is a popular one, the Minecraft, and in physical game it is cricket. So this is how you design and create your own survey forms, and in this tutorial we have guided you how you can make your own survey form using Google Forms, and you can tailor it according to your needs, and you can make whatever kind of survey form you want to make. You can use it for your own needs. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and in the last, I hope you have learned how to create a survey form using Google Forms. And in the end, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe icon and hit the bell notification icon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Take care.